Hello, today we're going to see UHF copier device. So this is the UHF copier, comes with the software CD. This is the device. Okay, we'll plug it later to test it. And the USB cables, there we go. This is the USB cable, alright. So I'm going to plug this in. Before I plug in, I will install the driver first. So let's just keep the wire plugged first. There we go. Alright. So the device is ready and we just need to plug it in. So disconnect USB. Alright, first you put in the CD. So since this laptop we don't have the CD drive, so we already copied the file into USB and already copied into the system. Let's see the installation. Can you see it? Okay, let me bring the laptop a little closer. Okay, so this is the installation file inside the CD. I'm going to run this installation. Okay, I suggest you to install it at C drive. Install it at C drive. Okay, C and extract. Okay, after extract, close it. That means we already saved the file into the C drive. It should be in the folder UHF something. UHF copier device. This is the folder. Open it. Inside the folder we only going to use this English version. Alright, click on it. So first you install the driver. Okay, driver, install the driver. It might take some time. Alright, installing. Please take note that I haven't plugged in the USB yet. Let's install the driver first and then plug in the USB. Install. Okay, installation complete. The driver is ready now. Still running. Okay, driver is ready. Back to the English version. One folder back. So let's plug in the. I'm going to plug in the USB. Okay. You can see the device now got red light. Okay, then the software that we're going to use is USB reader software demo Delphi, this folder English, and this is the software. Yep, this is the software. Open it. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out a bit to show you the device. Okay, so this is the device. Alright, you can see the device. Okay, we already opened the software, so and plug in the USB ready. So we click on open COM port. Right now you see no COM port connected yet. We click on it, and now communication port number 4 is connected. The UHF reader is detected. So go to EPC G2, EPC generation 2. EPC means electronic product code. G2 means generation 2. So all these UHF cards is actually EPC generation 2. So EPC is actually like a serial number for each of the card. When your card cross over to the reader actually reads the EPC of this card. That means the serial number or ID of this card to detect your identification. So normally your car UHF cards, you know, used for parking. Normally your car is attached to this EPC number. So this EPC number exists in the database of your car parking system, and to detect your car, when we got the same EPC number for other cards also, it will actually allow your car to go in. It will be enabled your car. It will detect all of it as the same car and let it go in. Alright. Right now, each of these cards 1, 2, 3 has a different EPC numbers. Alright, unique. I'm going to make this card 2 and card 3 to have same EPC as the number 1, because I'm going to assume this is my parking card. So to park my card, I need to use park my car, I need to use this card. And now I'm going to make extra 2 cards to use the same EPC number, so I can bring any card to bring my car. Okay. So before we start, let me show you first that each of the card ID is different. The EPC is different for each of the card. Okay. In the software, what we're going to do, query tag. Click on the query tag. Okay, now it's searching for the tag, right? I'm going to put the tag number 1. You can see the EPC of it. Okay. So now I'm going to put the tag number 2. You can see it's a different number there. Now I'm going to put the tag number 3. Okay. So you can see all 3 EPCs are different. Let me zoom in so you can see it for clear. Okay, do you see here? All the 3 EPC is actually different. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make all the card to have the same EPC as the first card. Okay. So stop this query. Start this query again. Let's put card number 1. This is the card number 1, right? Card number 1. Put it on the reader. So this is the EPC of the card. So the other 2 card, I want to have the same EPC. For this, what we can do, you can actually write this exact whole number, that it will be 24 digits, so 24 characters. You can type in here like E2000, but I'm a lazy guy, so what I prefer to do, I prefer copy and paste. In order to copy and paste, I click on this particular part, EPC, and make sure your tag number 1 is on the reader. Let me show you. Okay, there you see the tag number 1 should be in the reader like that. Alright, so now back to the software. Here in the read tag, I will write the block size. I will write 8, and then read. Click once and then click again. So this is the EPC. This is a full EPC, but we don't need this full EPC. What we need is from the E20019, right? So you need to ignore the first 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ignore the 8. Take from this onward. E blah 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 blah. Okay. Selected all that. Right click. Copy. And put into here. Paste. Okay. So I don't need to type. I just copy and paste. But no need to copy the first 8 digits. This first 8 digits is like a unique ID for this identification, so ignore it. You just need this EPC number from E20000 blah 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 onward. Okay, as I already copy and paste here, and now I'm going to write into the tag 2 and tag 3. So before write, let me show you tag 2 and 3. This is my tag 2 and 3. Let me zoom out the camera. Okay, now you can see my card number 1 is in the reader, so I'm going to take my card number 1, keep it aside, take card number 2, put it on reader. See carefully how I'm putting it. I'm putting in a same shape as the reader. Just follow it on top of it nicely and click on write. Okay, did you hear the beep? So the write was successful for the card number 2. Okay, now keep it aside, bring the card number 3. So put it on the reader, again put it nicely in the center. Right. Okay, done. So card number 3 also successfully write. So now when I query tag, okay, query tag, I got my 3 cards with me, right? Okay, you see I'm going to query it. Card number 1. Okay, now query card number 2. You see it's not detecting as a different card, it's the same card. query number 3. You see in the system over here, the number 2 and number 3 is not coming. All of it the same number. Because why? All of it is being detected as the same EPC. So no, doesn't matter how many times we going to scan of it, all of it has the same EPC number. So that's how your car parking actually works. It detects your EPC number of your card. So right now I already copied successfully 2 cards from the EPC number 1. Alright, this is how you should copy as well. So let me close and open the software and show you again that it can reach the same EPC for all the 3 cards. Open comport. Okay, go into the tabs numbers 2. Okay, the up here tab number 2, and query the tag. Take all the 3 tags with us. Scan tag 1. Okay, throw it out. Scan tag 2. Okay, throw it out. Scan number 3 card. See, it's the same. Just keep detecting as the same number only. So all the card has the same EPC number that we write just now. So regardless how many times we're going to touch the card on the reader, it's going to detect it all as the same card. So this is how you should copy your UHF parking card. Alright, thank you.